In the latter parts of 2020, the Nokia 3.4 was a very popular device. It's a good mix of overall value and it's often sold at a very attractive price point for many. We expect the Nokia 3.4 to do well into 2021. And one of the things that a lot of our audience have reached out to us about and asked us about the Nokia 3.4 is how to get the back button back. I know this is not exactly a Backstreet Boys story, but what we're going to do is walk you through how to get the back button on the Nokia 3.4. Now, Nokia have been pushing their users in recent devices in recent times towards gesture navigation, where you have navigation based on gestures with the edges. But for some, that's really not what they're looking for. They like having the back button, the home button, and their multitasking buttons at the bottom of their smartphone. And in this video, we'll show you how to do that. So the easiest way to do it is to pull down your notification shade, pull down again, and in the bottom right-hand corner of your quick buttons, you have the option to select a cog. This is your settings. And the easiest way to get there from here without having to scroll through the menu and select lots of options is to just search for navigation. So there we go. And you have top result is system navigations. So you'll see here you have a quick animation explaining what your current setting is and the selected setting is, which is gesture navigation. This is the default setting on the Nokia 3.4 when you set it up. But if you prefer, you can have 3-button navigation, and it will show you the buttons at the bottom and how the device performs overall. And you'll see that on my device, I've already got the 3 buttons in the bottom row. So you just press the home button, and there you have it. You have the back button is here. You have the multitasking button. So let's just open our web browser. Maybe open Android Central, our friends from Future Media, and maybe select a review or something that we are interested in. So this is a nice headphone review. And I'm going to swipe away my notification. So you see I'm on a page, I'm scrolling through. Now, what I'm going to do is once the page finishes loading, it seems to be taking a while, I'm going to press the back button and I can go back. So there you are. You can see that I have actually reached the point where I have the back button, the home button, and my multitasking button all in the bottom of the Nokia 3.4. So it's down to you if you prefer navigation with gestures or with the buttons. The good news is that the Nokia 3.4 offers you the option to choose between the two. So very quickly to recap, pull down the notification shade, pull down again, select the cog, type in navigation, and then system navigation, and select your preferred option. If you want to have your back button back, press 3-button navigation, and then go back to the home screen. So easy peasy. Right, thank you for watching this quick how-to video of how to get your back button back on the Nokia 3.4. We are currently working on our long-term review of this device, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you have any further questions or any comments, feel free to leave one below this video. We'll do our best to get back to you. And for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.